Hi students, good morning. Today we will discuss exponential function and logarithmic function. Okay. Exponential function means f of function from r tends to r. Means domain is r, range is r. From r tends to r, defined by f of x equals a raised to x, where a is greater than 1. A is greater than 1 is called exponential function. This is the base a. A must be greater than 1. For example, below 1, if you take 0.1 whole power x, this is not exponential form. I follow 0.1 above 1, a should be greater than 1. Means a not equal to 1. A not equal to 1. 2 power x, 3 power x, 4 power x, 5 power x. These all are exponential functions. If it is base, this f of x is nothing but y. So don't confuse. Here students, f of x and y both are same. You have two names. Okay, like that. House, in a house you will call one name, in college one name. Okay, like that. F of x and y are both are same. Okay, candidate is same, but names are different. So f of x, y which look like different, but both are same. F of x and y are both are function. Okay, y is in terms of x. If base, if I take as a e, where e is 2.7 something, 7132. E value 2.713 something value, 2.7 approximately. This is like between 2 to 3. If take as a base e, then y is equal to e power x. This is also called exponential function. If I take base as a 10, then we will get 10 power x. 10 power x, e power x, a power x, these all are called exponential function. 2 power x, 5 power x, these all are exponential functions. Right? In that, if base is 10, this is called common exponential function. What is this? Common exponential function. If base is e, then the exponential is called natural exponential function. If base is e, natural exponential function. If base is 10, common exponential function. If you draw all these graphs, exponential function, how is it? These all are intersecting at single point. See, if you draw the graph, here 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. For example, if you take this, y equal to 10 power x. If you take x is equal to 1, then y value 10. If I take x is equal to 1, then y value 10. Here approximately 10. 1 comma 10. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 1 if you take. Y is equal to 10. If x equal to 2, if you take 100. And the graph is like this. Okay. If you take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. 10 power 0, 1. So 0 comma 1. Next 0 comma 10, like this. 1 comma 10, 2 comma 100. The graph is like this. So this is y equal to 10 power x. Y equal to 10 power x. If you take y equal to 2 power x, if you draw this graph, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. 0 comma 1. This 0 comma 1. X is 0, y is 1. If you take x is equal to 1, y is 2. X equal to y is 4. Like this. This is y is equal to 2 power x. This is y equal to 10 power x. Tell me y is equal to 20 power x. 20 power x is this side or this side? Like this. If base is increasing, the curve is close to axis. If base is decreasing, the curve is close to x-axis. And and these all curves are passing through what point? 0, 1. So 0, 1 is the point of intersection of all these exponential functions. E power x, where is it here? 2. E means about 2, 2.7. So this is E. This is y is equal to e power x. This is also passing through the point 0, 1. Okay. For this, what is the domain? Domain is any real number from negative to positive. The curve occupied from left x-axis to right x-axis. Domain is real. But range, if you apply here, you never get negative. Is there any graph on the downside? No. So the graph occupied only positive axis. Means positive value is getting, negative value is not getting. So what is the range? Positive real number. See, y is equal to 2 power x. If you take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then y is 2. X is 0, y is 2. X is 2, y is 4. If x is minus 1, then y is 2 power minus 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. If you take minus 1 here, 0.5. Minus 2, 0.7. But it never crosses down. Okay, you never get here negative. By taking any value here, x value, you never get negative values. Okay, therefore, what is the range of this function is positive real number. Range of exponential function is positive real number. Domain is real number, range is positive real number. Understood? So y is equal e power x, y is equal 10 power x. Those both are exponential function. Okay, e power x, this is called natural exponential function, and this is called common exponential function. Okay, what is the domain of exponential function? Domain is real number, range is positive real number. Positive real number. Right? Understood? Range means output, domain is input. Okay? Like this. Y nothing but f of x is equal to e power x. If you take f of 0, what will you get? E power 0. E power 0 is 1. If you take f of 1, e power 1, e. F of 2, e square means as x increases, then range will be increased up to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Domain is positive. If you take positive real number, then the range also positive real number. If you take negative, f of minus 1, then e power minus 1, 1 by e, which is negative or positive? Positive, but you are very close to 0. If you take f of minus 2, e power minus 2, 1 by e square, positive or negative? Positive. So which is very close to 0. Like this. If you once again, if you draw the graph, you come to know that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And now I am going to drawing y equal 10 power x. If you put x is equal to 0, then what is the y value? 0, 1. If you put x is equal to 1, 10 square is 100. 10 power 1 is 10. 10 square 100. 10 cube 1000. Means range is close. Range is close to positive real number. Next, if you take minus 1, 10 power minus 1, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1. 10 power minus 2, 1 by 10 square. 1 by 100 means 0.001, 003, like this. Close to 0, if you take negative sign. As x-axis, if you take negative x-axis, the function value is very close to 0, but never cross x-axis. So, how much this graph occupied, that is called y-axis. How much this graph occupied the x-axis, that is domain. So x-axis from negative to positive. So real number, that is domain. Y-axis we consider as range. Y-axis graph how much? Starting from here 0, positive to up to infinite. There is no graph here. Okay, so the range is positive real number. Okay, as per graph, domain means x-axis. Okay, range means y-axis. Okay. Now, y equal to a power x. If y equal to a power x, what is the base a? A is greater than 1. If y equal to a power x, then this is called exponential function. This is called exponential function. Now I am going to make it another form. Okay, that is called logarithm form. Y equal to a power x. You can write log y base a, logarithm y to the base a equal to x. This is and this is look like different, but this is called exponential function and this is called logarithmic function. Okay. Are you following? The logarithmic function will come from exponential. Okay, y is equal to a power x, okay, greater than 1, then it's divided by log y base a equal to x. Reverse like this, a raised to x equal to y. For example, 10 square 10 power 1 equal to 10. Write in the logarithm form. This is called exponential form. Now write in logarithm form. Tell me log of, this is, can I write like this? A raised to x equal to y. Right? This is comes the base. This is comes here. X comes out. Tell me log of 10. This is outcome value comes here. Log 10. What is the base? 10 equal to power will get like this. So we can think like this also. 10 power 1 equal to 10. Then logarithm will be eliminated. 10 square equal to 100. Tell me. Log of 100 base 10 equal to 2. Check it. 10 square equal to 100. 10 cube equal to 1000. Tell me. Log of 1000 base 10 equal to 3. 10 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1, which is equal to log of 0.1 base 10 equal to minus 1. Base 10 equal to minus 1. 10 power minus 2 equal to 0.001. Log of 0.001 base 10 equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Understood? 10 power minus 3 equal to 0.001 equal log of 0.001 base 10 equal to minus 3. This is a characteristics. Logarithm base 10. I think you are learned in physics, chemistry. Logarithm, how to find by seeing the tables. Okay? Here, 100, log 100. How many digits are there? 3. Then characteristic is less than 1, 2. 10, 2 digits, characteristic is 1. Next point we will get to, that is decimal. For example, log 11 base 10 if you want. Okay, how many digits are there? 2 digits. 2 digits with characteristic is 1. Point. The decimal point will get by table. 11th table. Okay. Here. 11th table and 0 column. If you see, you will get the value. So that is called multiple. And this is characteristic. Okay. Now, here see. How many digits are there? 4. 4 digits. Then the characteristic is 3. Log of, for example, 5000. I don't know exactly 3 point something you can expect. Why? Because log of 5000 base 10 means 5000 how many digits? 4 digit. Correction is 3 point something. It's 0.5 something. Like that we can expect. Log 500 base 10 we can expect. 500 means how many digits? 3 digits. What is the correction is 2.5 something. This is middle of 1000 and 100. Okay. Now see 2 cube equal to 8. Write in logarithm form. Log 8 base 2 equal to 3. 3 square equal to 9. Write in logarithm form. Log 9 base 3 equal to 2. Log 2 power 1 equal to 2. Then log 2 base 2 equal to 1. 3 power 1 equal to 3. Then log 3 base 3 equal to 1. Okay. 10 power 5 square equal to 25. Then log of 25 base 5 equal to 2. Now coming to reverse. Now we have so far we have converted from exponential to logarithm. Now logarithm to exponential. For example, log of 8 base 2 equal to 3. Yes, write in exponential form is 2 cube equal to 8. Log of 25 base 5 equal to 2. Then 5 square equal to 25. Log of 64 base 3, 64 base 8 equal to 2. Next 8 square equal to 64. 8 square equal to 64. Logarithm of 4, 2 base root 4 equal to 1. Then root 4 power 1 equal to 2. Root 4 equal to 2. Like this. Understood? Okay. Logarithm function means if a raised to x equal to y, then log y base a equal to x is called logarithmic function. Here y never negative. See, a raised to x equal to y. Can you get y as a negative? No, because range of a exponential function is positive. So this should be positive. So y belongs to R plus. Means domain of logarithm is R plus. Okay, understood? This is real number. This is a greater than 1. Base a greater than 1. So this is real number. The range is called output. The range of logarithm is R. The range of logarithm is R. The domain of logarithm is R plus. Okay. See, log of minus 1 base 2 equal to exist? Does not exist. Does not exist. You see, you take for example this is x. 2 raised to x equal to minus 1. By taking any x value, can you get minus 1? Never. Because here by taking any real number, 2 power any real number will get positive, never get negative. So that's why the domain of logarithm is R plus. Okay, so this log minus 1, log minus 2, log minus 3, log minus 0.1 does not exist. Okay, the domain of logarithm is R plus. Here, for example, e raised to x equal to y. This is also called exponential function. What type of exponential function? We say natural exponential function. What is the base is e. Then we can write this is logarithm of y base e equal to x. What is the base here? A. What is the base? E. If the base is e, then the logarithm is called natural logarithm. The natural logarithm is denoted by ln y or ln x. Here y have to taken as a domain, so ln y. Ln y means ln means what is the base? Base is e. Ln we can write log of base e. Okay. Sometimes we have not mentioned base e. Base, then we consider as base e only. If it is 10 power x equal to y, this is called common exponential function. It can be written like this: log of y base 10 equal to x. Tell me the base is 10. So this is called common logarithm. The common logarithm will use in physics and chemistry while doing the subtraction, multiplication, addition, more number if they. In such case, we'll use common logarithm. You have table that is common logarithm tables. Base 10. For the calculation purpose, we'll use the base 10. Okay? Are you following? Just now I discussed log 100 base 10, log 1000 base 10. Okay? For example, how we can find by this concept. If log base is 10, that logarithm is called common logarithm. If base is e, natural logarithm. Natural logarithm is denoted by ln base e. For example, log x, what is the base? I have not mentioned. So if they are not given, okay, if they are not given log x base e, okay, we consider as base e. Okay, log x base 10. What is the base? 10. Here base not given, so we are considered as natural logarithm. So natural logarithm base is e. Are you following? So e value how much? 2.7 something. E is also exponential form. Okay, by first year you will learn y is equal to e power x. E power x. Put x is equal to 1 here. E power x exponential form is 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x squared by 2 factorial, x cubed by 3 factorial, so on. Yes? If you put x is equal to 1, then e raised to 1 equal to e, 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial is 1, 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, so on. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. This is all together never cross 1. It's all together will get 0.713 like this. Never cross 0.8. So 2 plus 0.7, how much is 2.7 something e value. So e is, if the base e is called natural exponential function, natural logarithm function. The base e value is 2.7 something, which is lies between 2 to 3. 2.7 means lies between 2 to 3. Understood? Yes. Now, properties of logarithms. Properties of logarithms. First property, listen. 10 power 1 equal to 10. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 10 power 10 equal to, we can write by logarithm form, log 10 base 10 is 1. 2 power 2 equal to log 2 base 2 equal to 1. 3 power 1 equal to 3, tell me, log 3 base 3 equal to 1. A raised to 1 equal to a, log a base a equal to 1. This is the first property, log a base a equal to 1. Base and this, if both are equal, then log a base a equal to 1. Log 10 base 10, 1. Log 3 base 3, 1. Log 4 base 4, 1. This is the first property. Okay. Next, second property. A power 0 equal to 1. Tell me, this is right in logarithm form. Log 1 base a equal to 0. 2 power 0 equal to 1, right in logarithm form. Log 1 base 2 equal to 0. 3 power 0 equal to 1, log 1 base 3 equal to 0. See, log 1 base 2, log 1 base 3, log 1 base 4, log 1 base 5, log 1 base anything, 0. So this is the second property, log 1 base a equal to 0. This is second property. Are you following? First property, log a base a equal to 1. Second property, log 1 base a equal to 0. Okay. Next. Third property, logarithm of a raised to m b raised to m base a equal to m into log b base a. Logarithm of b power m base a equal to m into log b base a. Okay. For example, log of 10 square base 10. Okay. It can be written as per this formula, 2 comes here. Then log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So log of 10 square base 10 equal to 1. Check it. 2. Here this is 1. 2 into 1 equal to. Is it correct? 10 square. 10 square. Correct or